Hello and welcome to today's logic lesson. If you're watching this video, the newest skill we learned was the vowel U. So today we'll go through our cards, we'll do sound drill, we'll read some words and practice spelling some words just like we always do. So let's get started. Check it out, I just mentioned this. What is this letter's name? Good, this is U. And we learned some very important things about the letter U. Go ahead, practice making the sound for the letter U if you remember it. Good, the sound we make is Can you say Nice job. And let's remember, is a very important sound for us because it is the fourth short vowel sound that we are learning. You know that we see our vowels in the middle of our CVC words that we read and spell, and we hear those short vowel sounds in the middle too. So far we have learned A for A, A for O, I for I, and now we have learned for U. So this is an important card. Our vowel sounds are always important when we learn them because they open up a whole new list of words that we can read and spell. Check out this card. What is this letter's name? Good, this is G. Very good. What sound do we make for the letter G? Very nice, that sound is G. Can you say G? Perfect. Now, let's remember that G is a consonant sound, it's voiced, and it's also the hard sound for G. We've been practicing that at school. And we hear G make its hard sound before A, O, and U. This is the same rule for another sound that we've learned all about that you'll see in a few moments. So remember, G says G, G. Here's this letter. What's this letter's name? Yep, this is B. What sound do you make when you see B? That's right, you say B, B. Very good. And let's remember, B is a voiced consonant sound. Here's the letter I mentioned when we were talking about G. What is this letter's name? Yes, this is the letter C. What sound do you make when you see the letter C? Good. The sound we make is K, and we hear C say K before A, O, and U, and we need to remember that K is C's hard sound. And it's a unvoiced consonant sound, which we've been practicing with at school a bunch. Here's your last card. What is this letter's name? Good, it's I. What sound do you make when you see I? That's right, you say I. And let's remember that I is one of our short vowel sounds. Okay, let's move on to sound drill. We'll practice with some of the sounds we just talked about. So have your whiteboard ready, have your marker ready, and something to erase with ready as well. I'll make a sound, you show me the letter. Okay, so first, show me the letter that makes our newest short vowel sound, uh. Okay, hopefully you showed me the letter U. Good, U is our newest letter that makes the short vowel sound, All right, go ahead and erase. Next, please show me the letter that makes the sound G. G. This is a consonant sound, and it's the hard sound for this letter. Hopefully you practiced making a lowercase g. Very good. Let's erase. Now, show me the letter that makes the sound B. Once again, let's keep practicing with our lowercase for this letter too. And hopefully you showed me the letter B. If your B does not look like mine, please fix it. And show me the letter that makes the sound K before A, O, and U. And hopefully you showed me the letter C. Good job. And erase. And for our last one, show me the letter that makes the short vowel sound I. I. All right. Hopefully you had the letter I. Now you can erase and set your boards to the side. Our next job is going to be to read some words together. We'll take a look at 5 words, and I'm going to tell you before we get started, all of these words are going to have the letter U in the middle. That means in all 5 of these words, you're going to hear the sound as the short vowel sound in the middle of the word. So this is going to be a good practice day for us to really, really get used to seeing that U in the middle and making the sound for our vowel sound. Let's look at our first one. So I like this word because it has our newest consonant sound at the beginning and our newest vowel sound in the middle. So let's put our thumb up and let's read this word together. 1, 2, 3, go. G, gum. Go ahead, try that word without my help. Do all 3 sounds and blend it together. Go ahead. Good. Gum. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, look at our next word. I want you to try this one all by yourself and then we can check together. Go ahead. Okay, let's see what you read. Hopefully you said hut. This is the word hut. We hear at the beginning, there's that short vowel sound, in the middle, and then t at the end. Hut. Okay, let's keep going. Here's word number 3. Go ahead and try it out. Good job. The word is fun. This is the word fun. Let's do it together to practice. Ready? Put your thumb up and do it with me. Go ahead. Fun. Good job. All right, I want you to try out this one all by yourself. See if you can get it. Go ahead. And when I read it, I hear rug, rug. And let's look at one more. Ooh, I like this one because it has both B and D. Let's see if you can make the sounds the right way. Go ahead. Nice job. It is b-u-d, bud. Remember, this is our B saying B. We have in the middle and D at the end. Bud. Okay, we're going to move on to some spelling words. And just like the words we read today, all 3 of our spelling words are going to have the sound as the vowel sound in the middle. So all 3 of these words, you are going to see the letter U and hear the sound in the middle as the vowel. Okay? So have your whiteboard ready, your marker ready, and something to erase with ready. Okay, so let's get going. Your first word is the word sun. Sun. So echo it back to me, say sun, fingerspell it, and write it. And let's see how you did. When I fingerspell sun, I hear sun. I use the consonant S for s, U for N for n, sun. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Please fix it before you erase. If you have sun on your board, we can erase and move on to the next word, which is bug. Bug. So fingerspell bug, write it on your board, and then we'll check together. Let's see what it looks like. Here's bug. When I hear bug, I fingerspell b-ug, bug. I need to use the letter B for U for that short vowel sound and G for g, bug. All right, we've got one more word and then we are done for the day. Your last word is the word hum. Hum. Fingerspell it, write it on your board. Let's see if you can get it. All right, here's the word hum. I hear the sounds hum. We use H for U for M for hum. Hey, that was a great job practicing today. I really liked how we had the chance to practice with this newest short vowel sound, for the letter U. It's very important every time we get a new vowel sound because it opens up so many new words that we can practice with. I think you did a great job and we will practice together more at school.